Hey everyone, it's Craig with One Man's Cancer Journey, bringing you my regular updates. So this past week, we met with Dr. Tejani and got the results from our CT scan, and he was pleased with the results that we got, so we were excited about that. No growth, no spread, not really seeing shrinkage yet, but we're hopeful that maybe we'll continue on this path with this chemo drug, and we'll begin to see some shrinkage. But again, overall, he was pleased with the results. I did have some distension in my belly and a little bit of ascites, so we tried to get an appointment for draining the liquid out of my belly, but couldn't get it done this week, so ended up going to the ED on Wednesday. Unfortunately, spent most of the day in there because the ED doc couldn't find the right location of the pocket. And so I had to go to the IR, interventional radiation group, and they were able to find a pocket of the fluid and help me get that drained out. It was a little over a liter, so not quite as much as we've pulled out in the past, but it did provide some relief to me, so I'm not quite as, don't feel quite as bloated. I still have some distension in my belly, so my bilirubin numbers had gone up, and I have a feeling that the liver's just not working the function or functioning the way that it needs to. And so that's probably a side effect of that. But I did get some of my appetite back, which I'm grateful for. On Thursday, we did have the chemo, had a couple numbers that weren't quite where we wanted them to be, but we decided to go forward with the chemo treatment. And so did that on Thursday and have been recovering since. Today, Marianna came home this weekend, and so they went to the beach on Saturday morning. I was going to go, but I wasn't feeling quite up to it, so I stayed home and rested. And then today we went and saw Shucked at the Dr. Phillips for the Performing Arts Center. So excited that able to continue to do some things like that with the family and to do things that we enjoy. For my gratitude moment, I'm grateful for the opportunities that our children have. With Abigail, she's back out in Colorado. This is something she's been doing, I think, since she's been 14 for the ANA summer seminar, and she's there for 2 weeks and just having a blast. And for Marianna, finishing up the zookeeping program and getting ready to do some work with some elephants, and just excited to not have debt from college for either one of them, but to kind of pursue their passions and be able to do that, help them get started in a way that they're going to enjoy their life, they're going to enjoy their career, and they're not going to feel the burden of the debt that comes along with so many students that are coming out of college nowadays. So that's my gratitude moment for this week. My name's Craig. I'm with One Man's Cancer Journey, and I wish for you a blessed week.